Hello mga ka-explorer. This is your Ella girl, Ella the Explorer. So, ayun na, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. I'm quite too late na sa post na ito. Kasi parang dinamdam ko siya talaga. Ganon. And, parang sinaid ko lang talaga yung feelings ko na ganon. I've been quiet for a bit because of what happened sa Chris Pao. So, ayun na nga. So for today's video, I've been reading some comment both side, even doon sa live, and then even sa post ni Chris na, tapos may bago na naman na dumating sa bahay ng PB Team. So, we still respect the both of them, but of course, we are a girl, and I'll always talaga, sinasabi ko lagi dito na I will support regardless whatever happen it is. I will support Sir Paul, and I will support of course Krishna Mausay and the Krishna. So ayan. So for today's video guys, ang tatalakayin natin is about sa mga komento ng Chris Pao, Krishna supporters, Pubumbiyahe na supporters. Kasi sa ngayon, hati talaga yung mga komento sa mga nangyayari, at marami din talagang nag-hope, especially kasama na ako doon, na sana it will go through, maging maganda yung takbo ng kanilang mga channel, yung mga nila, especially Chris na kasi baguhan na siya, no? So ayun. It's quite nice. It breaks my heart. It breaks my heart na wala na yung Chris Pao. And then of course, maraming commentary na, ayan, bakit pa kasi pinilit ng mga fans na isama si Chris na. Ganon. Marami din nagsasabi na ganon talaga, hindi marunong si Chris na. So, ayun, we stop bashing. Stop na natin yung kesyo ganito, kesyo ganyan, because it's already happened. And besides, hindi naman lahat, most of the PB team already posted, which quite quite strong nila mag-post about it. Even though it's like sometimes it's a critic post for them, kung sa akin lang, it's quite critic kasi more on na padinig, ganon. Yung sinabi na yung nakapag ganon. And then, so far, the clear interpretation, or nakikita ko lang na may factor doon sa na yun, na nag-explain about what happened is kay Toots TV. Yung I can see the care ni Toots TV doon kay Krishna, and Toots TV is very neutral on that part, kasi sinabi niya nga doon na at first pa lang he knows Krishna, kasi nga ayun nga, like, gusto ni Krishna yung about lang na for herself only, no more etc., no drama, ganon. And then at some point on the other side, meron din doon na parang myth ang ginawa sa kabila ni JR. And then, which is, doon na yung mga tao kasi it looks like flower. Okay, if you will talk about flower, it's about the girl. So, ang mga iniisip ng tao, it's all about Krishna, kasalanan ni Krishna, ganon. Kasi hindi naman natin kasi ito ang tawag ito, hindi natin masasabi na ganon na about the other guy, ganon. Tapos there's may sinabi pa na may pinakita pa na ahas, so which is for me it's just like a critic post. But when I saw Dong's TV vlog, I'm quite surprised kasi siya, she's very strong. He is very brave to say it. He's a good friend, I might say it. He's a good friend kasi, ayun na nga, sabi niya sa kanya, it is just like nothing for him kasi At in the first place, sabi niya, lagi naman daw nagsasama si Chris na sa mga PBT, which is right. Para sa akin na, in all the videos na napanood ko, kay Ralph man yan, kay Mang Ellie, nung andun sila sa mga PB team, ay si Krista na magkasama sila doon sa PB team. Minsan nga cameraman niya si Cristo. Minsan nga cameraman niya si Edito. Or minsan si Rebecca or si Sir Ellie. Ganon ang mga nakakasama niya. And then, it's quite hard to, paano ba? Kasi maraming nagsasabi na, I think this is the way, like how they end the thing. Kasi parang it's only, yung parang pagkita lang daw sa tao, which is, for me, I won't believe on it. Para sa akin. Kasi parang nakikita ko talaga na nasaktan sila, dalawa. And then, it's hard for me. Ako talaga, personally, nilungkot ako kasi I've been looking for Krishna's post on her second page account. Excuse me. And it's quite, parang alam mo yun, yung lugmok na lugmok siya. I think she really loves Sir Paul that much. And then, yun nga, it's quite strong for her na hindi siya nagalaban, he'd never explained herself, kung ano ganun, which is really strong. And good to, alam mo yun, yung tao na tahimik, yun kasi yung ayaw ng maraming gulo. And she doesn't want to explain. She always had a critic share, like she said on her share, like she doesn't need to explain kasi she knows it. Ganun talaga. And then, yun nga, yun doon naman tayo mag-base sa sinabi ni Dongs TV, if you love a person, you will fight for it. If you love a person, you will try to understand her. If you love a person, you will respect her. Susuyuin mo siya. If you love a person, there's a lot of reason on it. So, ganun. So, hindi naman linya sa ating kaalaman na si Sir Paul is quite ahead kay Krishna. So, on that case, I didn't make the conclusion, but on the case, dapat si Sir Paul yung mag-take ng initiative to talk about it for the both of them, which is, he already do it. And then, yun nga, marami na rin napasok ng mga commentary, which is parang mas lumaki yung, yung issue na ito. Marami na rin yung kay Nurse Nora, yung ganun yung explain niya, which is hindi na wala naman siya doon. Or okay, let's say na baka sinabi sa kanya or whatsoever, ganun. But I believe on Sir Dongs na parang kumalma ako nung nakita ko na yung post ni Sir Dongs about it, yung explanation niya. Kasi nga naman, all of them, bulat tayong masasabi na, na pinapatama. Nasali pa nga si Mang Eli, sabi si Mang Eli, si Sir Noy, gano'n. So, ayun nga, doon tayo kay Dongs TV na site. So, doon ko talaga na sinabi ni Dongs na, ayun, yung may nag-comment nga doon, i-try mo nga siyang ipagselos. Oh. So ngayon, sa nag-comment na ngayon, sana masaya ka at sa nangyari ng Chris Pao. Ano? Are you happy about what happened? And it's hard lang kasi it's quite fresh. Hindi pa talaga sila yung totally na getting, alam mo yun, yung kaka-first mo sarili nila. Tapos, ayun na nga. So, I think about the jealousy, it's hard to, sa side nila. Kasi nga si Sir Paul is quite, sinabi rin naman na very, kung galit siya, talagang tahimik lang siya. Ganun. So, doon naman sa side naman ni Sir Dong, sabi niya nga na, para sa kanya, parang wala lang naman yun. Kasi nga, he always says that Sir Paul is his friend. He is only a friend. And we know that Sir Dongs already have a wife. So, ayun, yun nga sabi niya na para sa kanya, wala naman talaga yun. Nagka-close lang sila because of the tattoo. Kasi nga, di ba, marami siyang tattoo. And then, yun lang yun. Yung parang naging close na lang sila yung palast na. Kaya marami talaga yung yung nag-live sila ng kay JR. Totoo ba yun o hindi? We don't know. Kasi parang ang hirap paniwalaan na they're so sweet on that side, and then after when they come back, no more. Ganon. Ganon na para sa akin. And then, it's hard to, ano ba? It's hard to say na hindi siya scripted. Something ganon. Kasi nga, para-parehas na lang yung ano nila. Para-parehas na lang yung ano, yung parang post nila, yung parang dinidiin si Chris na gano'n. Wala, hindi ako dito nag-ano ng bias, we're very neutral on this kind of thing. But of course, as a girl, I'd support the women. So I'm on, talaga Chris na, I'm sorry guys, but I still love Sir Paul. I admire him. I admire all the posts, all the things that he did, the charity and everything. But on this side, nasaktan kasi si Chris na sa ginawa, which is not nice. Sana hindi na lang nila inano yon, hindi na lang yung tipo na bakit nga ba ganun. Kasi on the how to say, on the live, parang nadiin si Chris na doon, and lahat nung sinundan na ng lahat agad ng PB team na nag-explain about it. And then, so ayun nga, kasi before that, may mga critic post na rin si Sir Paul about it. Yung mga patama niya ng mga reels, ganon. So, it's quite hard to say something about it. Ako ngayon, tinry ko talaga. I did try my best na gawin ito kasi talaga nasasaktan ako for them. Alam mo yun yung sabi kasi ni Chris na takot siya magmahal before. But alam mo yun, yung she tried to love again. And then this is what happened. Kaya nga sabi niya, takot siya masaktan. Kasi yun nga pala, kapag nasasaktan siya, talagang dinidibdib niya. Alam mo yun, you can see it in makikita mo sa mga post niya, sa post ng kapatid niya, ganun. And then, sa yung maraming nagsasabi doon na wala siyang utang na loob. Huwag natin ganunin si Chris na, guys. Grabe naman kayo. Sabihin pa na nagkapera lang siya, it's because of pumumbiyahero. Andun na tayo sa part na, okay, now she already have she made money, mayroon na siyang pera, ganyan. Pero huwag naman natin isabihin na because of kasi we all know na nananahimik si Chris na sa bundok, pinuntahan siya ng Sir Paul doon. And talagang pinulit siya ni Sir Paul na kunin doon. Di ba? Nagpunta pa siya doon sa bahay ni Chris na and everything. Alam ko maraming magdi-disagree dito. Alam ko yan. Kasi alam ko hating-hati ngayon ang mga supporters ng Chris Pao. Yung solid na nagmamahal kay Chris na, doon talaga yung kay Chris na side. Yung supporters na nagmamahal kay Sir Paul, doon talaga yung kay Chris Paul. But at this time, I love them both. Kasi nga sinabi ko, regardless kung ano man ang nangyari sa kanilang dalawa, I'm still supporting both of them. Okay? I will support both of them. Pero yun na nga, yung ko lang is let's stop bashing kay Chris na kasi hindi na siya healthy for Chris na. Alam mo yun yung tao na nagkikimkim, it's not a good thing for people na nagkikimkim. Mabuti na nga lang at meron siyang mapagsabihan yung atin niya. Pero at this time, let's stop bashing kay Chris na kasi we don't know what happened. Yung alam lang natin is yung nakikita natin. Yung alam lang natin yung pinagsasabi din ng mga grupo niya. Pinagsasabi ng talagang tao na involved doon, which is si Dongs TV. Kung gusto nyo rin malaman, you watch his channel para at least malinawan tayong lahat. Kasi before I do this vlog or this video, let's say it, I'd watch Dong's channel explanation about it. So, ayun na nga. Kasi ayaw niya, parang sabi niya nga, on the social media platform, that is very normal na may tawag nan, it's very normal na may mang-bash sa'yo. Pero, if you love a person, you will really jump on it. You will really understand. Yun nga, maligaw ka ulit. Ganun yung gawin mo. Kasi sa kanila, yung ligaw kasi nila parang umabot lang ng 1 month. Ganun. Umabot lang ata siya ng 1 month yung ligaw nila. And then, it goes through and through and through. And then, naging sila ulit. Naging sila agad. In real life, couple. So, yun na nga yung sinabi ni Dong Stevie. If you love a person, you need to make ligaw. You need to court her multiple times. You need to understand her. Kasi nga, medyo, alam naman natin na, na si Sir Paul. Tawag nito. Na si Sir Paul? Matured. Matured na siya sa pag-iisip. He's very stable. Ganun. So, ayun lang. It's quite hard to say na wala na nga ba talagang Krista? Ganun. I really feel it breaks my heart, Charis. So, ayun lang. So, if you like this video, guys, that I made, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Of course, please still support Krishna. I saw that, I think she had another YouTube channel. Same name of her second page account on Facebook. I think so. So, ayun. Please support her. Support the PB team. If you like it, sabi nga lagi ni Sir Paul, kung nagustuhan nyo ang video niya, nagustuhan nyo yung mga ginagawa niya, o ganun, or nagustuhan nyo yung mga ginagawa nila, support them. So, we still support them. Okay? We support them. They are only person. And there's no perfect in this world. So, let's support each other. We love each other. We share the love and hope that we had. So, yun lamang po. Sana inyong nagustuhan ito. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you so much.